Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to turn your iPhone camera upside down. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To turn your iPhone camera upside down, you simply need to rotate your iPhone physically. The iPhone's camera app automatically adjusts its orientation based on how you hold the device. However, if you want to intentionally flip the camera upside down or change the orientation of the photo, here are a few steps. Launch the camera app on your iPhone. Turn your iPhone upside down. The camera app will adjust the orientation automatically to match how you are holding the phone. Snap a picture or record the video. The content will be saved. Right side up by default. Another method is lock screen orientation. If you want to ensure the screen orientation does not change while rotating your device, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen or swipe up from the bottom on iPhone 8 and earlier. Tap the orientation lock button, a padlock icon with a circular arrow to prevent the screen from rotating. Follow the steps in method 1 to take the picture. This won't lock the camera orientation, but it can help stabilize the view. By following these methods, you can effectively turn your iPhone camera upside down or flip the orientation of your photos. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.